Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using Waterlock on Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of your watch screen to open the Quick panel. Swipe from right to left one time on the Quick panel. Now you want to tap on the water droplets icon. Waterlock is now switched on. You won't be able to use the screen until you switch Waterlock off. To switch it off, hold down on the home key for 2 seconds. It will play a little tune as it ejects water. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.